Welcome back to another class of How to Become System Administrator. I'm Deepak Sood, your online instructor. In previous class of this playlist, we discussed about multiple way to access safe mode in Windows 11. I hope you guys are okay with the topics that we completed so far related to the Windows 11. And now today I am going to guide you about the basic understanding related to the internet sharing. This is one of important topic for every system administrator. If you really want to handle the infrastructure, if you want to fulfill the client's requirements, you must need to know about the procedure and different types. Let me move ourselves to the screen, but before that, if you are new on my YouTube channel, if you are watching my video first time, do subscribe because Tech Guru Deepak Sood is a single technical training based YouTube channel that gave you 100% live practical based video without skip any step. So I hope you guys are able to see my screen. There are 3 ways to share internet in network. Number 1, ICS. ICS stands for Internet Connection Sharing. Number 2, proxy. Number 3, NAT. NAT stands for Network Address Translation. First method, that is Internet Connection Sharing, is used in small offices, cyber cafe and homes. Second method, that is proxy, used in schools, colleges. The purpose of proxy is for the monitoring purposes. Third method, that is network address translation, is mostly used in production environment, means in IT companies. To provide internet, NAT converts public IP address to private IP address and private IP address to public IP address. Lab setup for internet connection sharing. In this practical lab demonstration, I am using NetLab to show the steps for configuring the lab. Open Google Chrome web browser and type NetLab IP address. In my case, IP address is 192.168.1.6. Enter the username as admin and the password is net. Create new lab. Enter any name, in my case we enter ICS. Add lab name as Internet Connection Sharing. Requirement for Internet Connection Sharing. One server with any operating system, which have 2 LAN cards. One LAN card is to connect with Internet and second LAN card to the switch in LAN. Add a node, means server which have 2 LAN cards. Connect first LAN card to the Internet. Access server machine and verify that internet is working properly. Enter the static IP address that is provided by the ISP, means Internet Service Provider. Check the second LAN card IP address is automatic. Connect second LAN card of server to the switch that is connected in LAN. Add to client machines and connected to the LAN switch. Share the LAN card of server machine. LAN card that is connected with the internet. Access the client machines that are connected with LAN switch. And verify internet is access on both clients' machines. I hope you guys are okay with the topic that we completed today. Do subscribe to your own Tech Guru Deepak Sood YouTube channel.